Every machine has more to give. At the Atlas Copco Repower Center, compressors are rebuilt, restored, and ready to perform again.
Hi, I'm Vanshi from Atlas Copco, and here I'm at present at our Repower Center. You can have a look behind me. There was a compressor running reliably for years, but as you know, technology is moving forward. As we go on with the processes, the productivity of your machine declines. So now your machine is at the end of its lifespan. So now what to do? So for this, we ask a question. Why change what's still solid? That's where our Repower program of Atlas Copco comes in the picture. So can you explain what happens at the Repower Center, the whole process?
Yes, first we will unload the machine and machine straightly goes to the washing area for washing. After washing, we will take this machine inside the Repower Center and machine goes to the station for thoroughly inspection and dismantling. After dismantling, we will prepare the BOM. And after preparing BOM, we will share this BOM for order booking. After booking, we will shift this machine to the assembly area and we will start our assembly work. And after completing the assembly, we will start our testing.
So now exactly what are the solutions that Atlas Copco is providing here at the Repower Center? Can you explain it?
Yes, there are three solutions. First, we refurbish your machine upon agreed scope. Second, you buy a refurbished machine, and third one, we buy back your machine, refurbish it and sell it to the new one.
What benefits do our customers get?
Yes, most importantly, it reduces environmental waste, peace of mind, reliable compressor performance, higher uptime, total lowest cost of ownership and extended warranty.
What if my compressor is still strong like this one but just not performing like before?
In this case, our team of experts will inspect your compressor and then will let you know about the condition of compressor that needs refurbishment or minor repairing.
So what is exactly changed during repowering?
We upgrade critical core components. It can be engine, radiator, cooler, element.
So is this just a repair then?
No, it is not repair. It is more than repair. It restores your machine, making fit for your operations.
Experience our Repower Center today.